In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo S90 key fob. This is a really easy process. It'll just take you a couple minutes. One thing to note is that there are different colors of this key fob. There's a black and a beige, as well as this orange one. It doesn't matter which color you have. The process is the same. The battery is the same as well. So you can follow along with this video regardless of which color you have. All you'll need is one CR2032 battery. And if you'd like to get one of these online, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. Excuse me. So the first step here is just to flip this thing over to the bottom and find the switch there on the keyring part. You're going to hold that down, and at the same time, kind of push and pull. You're pulling the part with the logo away from this bottom part while you hold the switch. Hold the switch, push and pull, and then this will come right off. Inside of here, you'll find another switch. You can see there's a picture of a battery and this other little switch. You're going to do the same thing to remove the back piece of plastic. So hold that down, push, pull. You can see that movement right there. And now we'll be able to remove this. Set this piece of plastic to the side so you know that this is the back. I'm going to put the back right here. This is the front. Now over here, we have this piece of plastic holding the battery in place. So you can use a coin. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. All you want to do is twist this to the open position so that arrow matches up with the other arrow. So push your screwdriver or your coin in there. Try not to do what I just did. You're gonna mess up the plastic a little bit. Just carefully twist it over. Now that it is in the open position, you can see there's this little space on the side there. Use your, well, I suppose this is why you should be using a flathead screwdriver, because you need a tool to go in there. So get your flathead and just gently try to pry off this piece of plastic. And then lift it up, wiggle it out of place, and here we have our battery. So use the flathead again just to pry the battery up. You can now dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. You'll just snap it into place. You can go ahead and grab the plastic tab here. Just make that arrow line up again with the open arrow and push it down. Now we can just twist back to a closed position. There you go. And now we're going to put it all back together. So take the back piece of plastic that you set to the side, and you can see on this piece of plastic, there's a side that has this kind of open area here, whereas this has more of a wall. So this open area is going to go with the keyring metal part sticking out there. So take the back, put it on top of the battery side with the opening lining up with the keyring area. You're just going to put it on. Show you that one more time. You're just, it's a little bit weird. Once you do it, you kind of get a feel for it. It's actually not that complicated, but you're just going to push it down and then slide it up into position, and it will click in place. And now you can see it will not come off again. We're going to do the same thing for the front. So again, this opening area, this open area, not this. The open area is going to go with the keyring, with the bottom of the device. You're just going to put it into place and slide it up, and it clicks back together, and that's all it takes. That's the end of the video, the end of the process. You have a new battery in there that should last you for a very long time. So you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.